Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are safe and secure, and today's video is in collaboration with Asfa Halal makeup and skincare brand, and this brand mostly you will get on purple.com because they sell everything over that platform. So I'm really happy to announce my collaboration with purple.com as well as Asfa Halal skin and beauty brand. So I really wanted to try this halal brand because I love exploring different brands which are halal. It's very exciting for me because I can make you guys more aware about different brands which are halal, because most of you keep on asking me about halal nail paints, halal skincare, because most of you don't use the products which has alcohol or something in it. So I was super duper excited and I swatched all the lipsticks that they sent me, the skincare, the compact, the liners. Oh my god, I am the huge fan of the liners, because if you guys have noticed, I always tell you that I cannot apply liner in front of the camera because I create mess every time. I need both my hands free whenever I'm applying the liner, but the liner I applied on camera, I mean, look how amazing it is. It's not messy at all, just one stroke or you're good to go, the liner is on. So I really loved it, and I have swatched them also, and the mini swatch video of lipsticks and the liners will be up on Instagram. So stay tuned. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and follow, and also follow Asfa Halal if you want to shop all of their beauty and skincare products. So let's get started with the video without further ado. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and press that bell notification if you don't want to miss any upload that I do whenever in the future. So let's get started. Hey guys, Asfa Halal has sent me a few of their products as a PR package, and I'm really excited to explore this halal brand. They have sent me their bullet lipsticks, their liquid lipsticks, compact, their liners. Oh my god, I love their liners, and their skincare range, that is the clay masks, both for oily and hydration, oily skin and hydrating. Think the dry skin. Why am I fumbling? And also their skin toners, that is also one for oily and one for dry skin. First of all, I just wanted to tell you that this is a halal brand. Even if in the ingredients there is written it has cetostearyl alcohol, that is completely halal. That is the alcohol derivative from fatty acids. The only similarities in the alcohol which is not halal and this cetostearyl alcohol is कि इसका जो alcohol है उसमें OH compound है that is present in the non-halal alcohol. So that is the only similarities. That is why their name are similar. So you can completely trust on this. It's completely halal. You can use it. So first of all, I am starting off with this clay mask. It is the rose one, and this is the hydrating one. And also they have tea tree one, which is for oily skin, to control oil on the face. I'm applying this on my face and speeding up because you don't want to see me applying this on my face like in slow motion. Why would you? So I'm just applying it and keeping it for 10 to 20 minutes till this dries out, and you can read your favorite book, drink tea, whatever you want to, till this mask dries. The time the mask dries, you can read your favorite book, to actually read out a few things from this amazing book by Rumi. And okay, gone for good. I have stumbled over buried treasure again. What I thought came first comes last. How shall we celebrate? Do not expect your heart to return. When it dissolves in love, it is gone for good. So good. This book is so good. And I am having my favorite rose organic green tea. This is bliss. I really love this tea a lot. And then after the mask is dried out, you just wash it and voila, this is your skin, fresh and amazing. I feel that it got a little bit plumped up, and that is a plus point for me. And next up, I'll be applying the toner. So they have sent me two toners. One is this tea tree oil toner and one is rose water, which is hydrating one. So I'll be applying both because I wanted to try both. So first of all, I'll be starting with the hydrating toner. This is amazingly gorgeous toner. It's just like a mist. You can directly spray it on your face. I did it. Or you can just apply it on the cotton pad or any pad that you have and apply on your face. It tightens your pores. So guys, I've almost done with the skincare that they have sent me, and skin feels so refreshed and hydrated. I have used the hydrating mask and the hydrating toner, and also I sprayed a little bit of tea tree wala toner, and feels so amazing and refreshed. My skin is little bit plumped also. I really love it. And now I'm gonna quickly do my base and come here, and yeah guys, I have quickly done my base. I'm just setting it up with the blender. Now let's go on to the makeup. So they have sent me this compact. It is perfectly my shade. I really love it. So I just applied it on my face to set up my base, whatever concealer foundation that I've applied on my face. This is so amazing. You can just completely see the difference right here, right now. One side I've applied the compact and other side it's without compact, so it is amazing. I highly recommend the products. They are really good. Now I'm setting up my entire face with this powder and feeling amazing. Now let's move on to the liners. My favorite. You know, I always tell you that I cannot apply liners on camera because I need my hands to be free. But this is so amazing. Just one swipe, it's so pigmented, and this is the green one that I applied in the video, but I'll be swatching all the liners right now. The pigments, oh my god, amazing. This blue one, I really wanted to try all the liners, and I'll be showing that transition video on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. If you're not following me there, just go ahead and follow me. So these are the 3 liners that they have sent me. So amazing. Without any mess, I just applied the liner on camera. You just see, just wait and watch. So here comes the liner. I chose the green one because I loved the green one on my eyes. So you can see I didn't even need to stretch my eye for this liner. So amazingly, without any hustle, it just applied on my lids. Oh my god, it was so amazing. I loved it. You can see the happiness on my face because I was so excited to apply liner on the camera. I mean, it was amazing. Now let's move on to the lips. They have sent me their 2 bullet lipsticks and 2 liquid lipsticks. I love the lipsticks, the colors, the pigments, so amazing and so lightweight on your lips. You cannot feel anything. I can say that this is a dupe for Morphe lipstick. So amazing. So these are the shades that they have sent me. I have swatched all the shades with the names in my on my Instagram, so you can just check it out. So this was the first color that I really loved. This is like a nudie. The shade name is Elegant Nude or Nude Elegant. So I really loved it. And next shade was pinkish, like a satin subtle pink. I really love it. It was just popping on my lips. I really loved it. And after that, I have applied 2 of their liquid lipsticks. I must tell you that the liquid lipsticks are so lightweight on your lips. You cannot feel anything on your lips. Even if they are matte, they are not drying at all on your lips. So this shade was my favorite. So beautiful, amazing. So you can check out my Instagram. I have swatched all the 4 shades with the shade names, everything in detail over there, and I'll be swatching the liners as well. So these were the lipsticks, and this was the last one. This is a bit darker for my personal choice, but I really love the texture because some of you will like dark lipsticks on your lips, so you can go for it. I really love the products, highly recommend. So these are the final looks that I created with all the 4 lipsticks, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.